day 60 of my weight loss journey. At the end of the week, I wanted to try some weighted workout. So I did use my kettlebell again, the 20 kilos kettlebell. The exercises that I did was this one. So it aims the shoulder. Then the other one is this one. So it was a good workout. I get a lot of sweats, and then also I did the 2 km of walk. So I did see my watch later. It gave me at least 6,000 steps. No, not just the 2 km walk, because I walk a little bit in the house. I'm thinking of making longer walks, so I think I want to manage 10,000 steps per day. Now you're wondering why I don't really want to bulk up, because I want my training to be super intense that I will burn out, because I don't want to quit halfway through. I want to do plyometrics, but I need to fix my shoes because it's not glued anymore, because I don't want to injure myself on doing plyometrics without shoes. That's day 60. See you on day 61.